Today, I'm going to show you how to create a unique and eye-catching text effect using Typecraft in Canva. Start by opening the design you want to edit. Next, go to Apps in the left-hand panel. In the search bar, search for Typecraft and click on the app to open. Once inside Typecraft, enter the word or phrase you want to transform into something truly special. You can also choose a different font style using the options below the text box to better match your design. As you scroll down, you'll see a variety of wrap effects. Take some time to explore them. These effects can instantly turn your ordinary text into a creative design element. Now let's take it a step further. Click on Custom. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice the blue control lines around your text. Simply click and drag these handles to bend, stretch, and reshape your text into unique forms. And don't be afraid to experiment. You can always reset the effect and start again. The more you play around with the controls, the better you'll understand what works best for your design. Don't forget about the wrap types. They are distort, wrap, and shape. This can help create an even more interesting effect. Once you are happy with your text design, click to add to your Canva project. Position it where you want it. Make any final adjustments, and just like that, you've created a custom text element that adds personality, creativity, and a professional touch to your design.